In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a store on Wix step by step. Whether you're starting a brand new business or expanding your existing one online, creating an online store on Wix is a straightforward process. Let's go through each step together, ensuring that you end up with a fully functioning online store. First things first, you'll need to head over to Wix's website by visiting www.wix.com. Once you're there, look for the login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, creating a new account is just a few clicks away. Once inside your dashboard, you'll notice an option that says Create New Site. Click on that, and let's move on to the next step. Now that we're setting up a site, it's time to decide what style fits your needs. Wix will prompt you with a question: what kind of website do you want to create? Opt for business and e-commerce, and then select Online Store. With that, you'll gain access to a variety of templates specifically designed for online businesses. Have fun browsing through them to find the one that resonates with your brand. When you've found the perfect match, click Edit to open the Wix editor. A good tip here is that choosing a store template saves you a lot of time, as they come with pre-made pages like products, cart, and checkout. Upon landing in the Wix editor, you're going to add e-commerce functionality. Start by selecting Add, and then Store, or simply go to the Wix Stores app. Make sure the store feature is enabled. Next, set up your store's basics by configuring your currency, selecting payment methods, and determining your shipping options. These settings will make all the difference once your store goes live. With the setup complete, it's time to fill your store with products. Head over to Store Products and click on Plus New Product. Enter your product details, which include the name, description, price, category, and of course upload your product images. If your items have variations like size or color, be sure to add those as well. Finally, hit Save to add the product to your store. Once your products are loaded, customize the product pages. Play around with different layouts like strips, grids, or repeaters for product listings. Make sure each product page is engaging with well-crafted descriptions, vibrant images, and easy-to-spot buttons for Add to Cart or Buy Now. For checkout and payments, go into Store Settings and then Payments. Set up online payment methods such as PayPal, credit cards, or Wix payments, and establish your tax rules and shipping fees. As your store begins to take shape, focus on design. Tailor the colors, fonts, and overall layout to align with your brand's aesthetic. Don't forget to optimize for both desktop and mobile, ensuring your store looks impeccable on any device. Add any banners or promotional sections for that extra flair. Before the grand unveiling, click Preview to test every aspect of your store. You'll want to ensure that product pages load effortlessly